He stated for sure there was shots fired. Code 1, CAD 1996, 1996.
Anonymous caller stating that he believes the residents at this address are shooting guns as well as shooting off fireworks. States he heard 20 shots fired. Area code 1, CAD is 1998, 1998.
All right. I'm sure you could guess what the board is loaded with. M34 drive.
I have James Robinson, date of birth 1/12/1991. Can I get a social?
20.
Chopper to radio.
Copy that. 2220 Chopper. Go ahead.
Can we get a car to assist us at about 3121 West 31st Street? That's somebody down there with a green laser that's hitting us, and they also hit a MetroHealth flight.
Dave Alcoy.
I copy. I'm good for that. Barney 25, are you able to head over there? Or 265, you guys near that?
Barney 25, just give me the call out claim for Flowerdale and their CAD, and we can head over.
Copy. CAD number is 1845, 1845. I don't know. Let me check this. Call out was maybe 2148. That's when they were keeping the air clear.
Okay, give me the numbers for Chopper now.
All right. It's going to be at 3121 West 31. 3121 West 31 again. I believe Chopper, you said it was a small group, somebody shining a green laser on the aircraft. Code 2 on that, CAD number 2020, 2020.
Okay.
Chopper, they're just south of Clark. It's going to be the first house on the east side. There's a bunch of people in between two houses. And we're recording this whole thing. We definitely want this person identified and the laser confiscated.
Okay, Chopper, we are en route from Ridge and Flowerdale.
69-year-old female with dementia.
Adam 31 radio. All right, I'm good for that. Charlie 23, I copy. 2221. And then was that an Adam 21 call? Go ahead.
Adam 31. From here, we're going to have info received for a report. Females advised. The prosecutor, the suspect's going to be GLA ETL. Show's complete.
Yeah, how do you want to hear that? 2222. You can copy Franklin 65.
David Cisneros on two-way in Detroit. 36, X43, and David 37. 31, go ahead with that on.
Barney 24 arriving on 147.
2222.
Alright, David 27, we copy your arrival. Hey, if you could switch over TAC right quick for that gun info and give it out. Adam 31, it's supposed to be Franklin, West 65. Eastbound Franklin at 65. Trying to see. EMS got a call for a male slumped in a four-door black vehicle. This came down at 2158. EMS was marking at UTL about 10 minutes ago, so I don't believe that there's going to be anything there, but if you could still just double-check, they cleared it already. It's code 2, CAD number is 1948, 1948. Copy. Alright, that's going to be 2223.
Respect. We have information received from
265 radio. I'm at 25th and Myers. What's going on here? Alright, sir. Estimated address in the area. Individual stating he needed the police. A little hard to understand. He couldn't give us an address. Phase 2 was pinging 25th south of Meyer, between Meyer and Sackett. Possible address of 3299 West 25. That's code 2, CAD 1974, 1974.
Heavy glass. Alright, suspect a heavy set.
426 radio.
Radio to Chopper, Chopper for info.
You got your
Chopper, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Connection with that Life, MetroHealth Life flight, were they in the air when they were hit with fireworks, or?
This is 14.
Well, they were hit with a green laser, and we're getting hit with it right now. We got the zone car coming. Is that you?
No, so I have the chief on the line. He was just inquiring about that. So they were flying just like you were now when they were hit with the laser, right?
That is affirmative. They were hit, and they made the report to the tower. They told us about where they were at, so we're over here now, and they know we're looking at them now, so they're starting to disperse. I don't know if we're going to get them or not, but they hit us 3 or 4 times. We recorded it, and the zone car, they're coming from far away, but hopefully they'll get here soon.
Copy.
3-4 to Hearts. What's your location?
On our board, we're holding a total of 24. 2 of them are code 2s, one of which is timed out. The majority of the code 3s being firework calls.
Alright, I copy that. Sam 33 to Adam 35, Adam Petro. Location, you 6-5 deal, call back here. Behind us. Why don't we try to yell at them best we could? Let me give it a try. Group of juveniles and probably some adults over on 140th that are lighting off fireworks in the middle of the street. We're about to go over there and try to shut that down. Okay, so is the victim still on scene then?
925 to radio. Is Chopper still watching this house?
Chopper, we're still here.
Okay, we're coming.
Closer to 5-5 or what? Yeah, 40 was. If they get on from 5-5, it'll be right there, like quarter mile from 5-5. Charlie for 45. On foot southbound on Bosworth for the group. Yeah, Charlie 25. You do that, buddy. Enjoy. Thank you. It's 4 on the radio. You can show ourselves and Barney 22 CPO. I copy. 2227, I'll put you there. How's he doing? You need a chair down there? Barney 27 has arrived. Dark weather. Is on 3-1. Set south of Clark on the east side. Heading that way. Yeah, south of Clark, first house on the east side. Calm down for the minute, but just in case, send a chair. Time with what you want me to do? Yeah, I would think if we have stuff blocking travel lanes, that's one thing. But besides, for the people pulled over, probably just let them be. I think we're going to cause more trouble trying to... we see him. Yeah. For you. Adam 35, you can put at that address.
2228.
David, you want to show me out with them?
2228.
Complicated, but you're at Barney 3-1. They'll be in they'll start at 1. Barney 3-3, they're currently available. I know you're waiting on that social. Get to you when we can. 3-8, they're available. David 3-2, delayed, missing persons. And David 3-3 will start at midnight. Adam 3-4 to radio. Do you have that social? Radio. No. If you can just give me 1 second, I apologize. It's been a little hectic. We'll get to you 1 second. Roman, I told the base, I think they think you were in the crash. Broadcasting West 20th and Hood, West 20th and Hood, and also 6911 Guthrie, 6911 Guthrie, fireworks disturbing. Broadcast at 2228. 926 Chopper.
Chopper, go ahead.
Can you identify who shined it at you? What was he wearing?
Or she?
Well, we tried zooming in to see if we could get an ID, but the light was reflecting back in on us, so it was just blurring out our screen. But somebody up there has it. They ran it in the house when they knew we were looking at them.
2-6, I have it. But there's a lot of kids here playing with it, as well as adults.
Well, this will ultimately get turned over to the FBI, so I think you need to identify everybody down there, and then we'll go from there.
Copy. 2-3. And 2-3's arriving.
Radio to Barney 3329.
Line's open down here, but
1021 radio.
Refuse callback information.
No. You want to go ahead.
Contact with the victim en route to Metro.
Adam 2-2, put us on with
1, copy 2230, Adam 31.
And at 22.
3031 radio.